Welcome to my tutorial. This video is about differentiation from first principle. We may ask to find the derivative of a f of x equal x squared, b y equal 1 over x from first principle. Differentiation from first principle involves finding the derivative of a function using the limit process. Now we'll look at the steps involved. Now let's look at the step-by-step solution in differentiating x squared from the first principle. The first step is to add changing x to both sides. So we have f x plus changing x equal, since we have the square of x on the right hand side, so we'll just write x plus changing s and then square. Expand the right hand side. So we're expected to expand s plus all square. X plus square means x plus s multiplied by another x plus x. So x times x gives s squared plus x times changing x changing x. We have plus changing x times x changing x plus changing x times changing x gives changing x squared. So here we have x squared plus x changing x plus s changing x gives 2x changing x plus changing x all square. Subtract f of x from both sides. So we have f x plus changing x minus f of x equal all this and then minus x squared being the value of f of x. So we have all this equal x squared minus s squared gives 0. So we are left with 2x changing x plus changing x all square. Next step is to divide both sides by changing x. So we've divided this by changing x. We also divide this by changing x. Therefore, changing s at the denominator cancels the changing x here. We are left with 2x plus this changing x also cancels one changing x here, and we are left with changing x, that is one changing x. Lim changing s tends to 0, that is on the right hand side the changing s is equal 0, that gives 2x plus 0. So therefore the f prime of x, that is the derivative of s squared using the first principle, equal 2x. Now let's proceed to the second question. B part of the question asks us to find the derivative of 1 over x from first principle. Like we did in the first question, here the first step is to add changing y to the left hand side and also add changing x on the right hand side. So we have y plus changing y equal 1 over x then plus changing x. To subtract y from both sides, so here we have y plus changing y then minus y equal 1 over x plus changing x. Remember we did say we are subtracting y and the y value is 1 over x. So on the left hand side we have y minus y gives 0. So we are left with changing y equal to, we'll do the basic simplification here. The LCM of x plus changing x and x gives this. So x times 1 minus 1 times x gives minus x, minus 1 times changing x gives minus changing x. X minus x 0. So on the numerator level we are left with minus changing x all over x times x plus changing x. Next is to divide both sides by changing x. So here we have changing y over changing x equal to minus changing x all over x plus changing x changing x. This changing x is changing x. So we have changing y over changing x equal, on the numerator level we are left with minus 1 over x plus changing x. We have to limit changing x tends to 0. So we have changing y divided by changing x equal minus 1 all over x plus we did say limit changing x to 0, then plus 0. So changing y over changing x equal minus 1 over x times x. So the y by the x equal minus 1 over x squared. So we succeeded in using the first principle to get the derivative of 1 over x, which gives us minus 1 over x squared. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Also share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Comment with any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.